Microsoft Access and Excel. Difference between Excel and MS Access. Microsoft Access and Excel both supply a layout to save information in a single collection or in numerous collections. In Excel, several sets of information can be positioned in different tabs of the very same Excel data. Similarly, you can divide data into several access tables in an accessibility data source. Microsoft Excel is an application that makes use of spreadsheets to develop graphs, and tabular designs. Microsoft Gain Access is likewise an application that functions as a database program. It aids in accumulating as well as arranging the data. It is utilized for spreadsheets and monetary estimations. Both Microsoft Access and Excel with rows as well as columns which enable you to store, sort as well as style documents. Excel spreadsheets contain powerful tools for keeping information and also utilizing solutions. Access tables are the structures of a database as well as offer a beginning factor for inputting and seeing the information. Both programs offer much of the very same standard features. Excel makes it simple to create custom-made output with really versatile formatting as well as notes that you can add anywhere. The benefit of Microsoft accessibility is just how databases streamline things over time. About Microsoft Access and Excel certification. Microsoft Access and Excel to accreditation assists validate your proficiency utilizing Microsoft Office accessibility. Gaining access qualification shows to clients as well as prospective employers that you have the specialist skills to function with confidence in Microsoft Gain Access to and also can optimize its functions to finish tasks. Microsoft Access is a relational database software application that allows tiny teams as well as individuals to conveniently organize and report on service information. Microsoft Accessibility is an excellent alternative to client-server databases for people and tiny groups, both technical as well as non-technical. Significance of Microsoft Access and Excel certification in 2021. It is an easy-to-learn device designed to produce company applications. It additionally offers comprehensive layout devices that enable you to create one of the most enticing programs. You can utilize Gain Access to very own templates or even make your own. Microsoft Access and Excel certification are very important due to the fact that it significantly decreases the quantity of time required to exchange and utilize the info in between Microsoft Office applications. Accessibility offers database monitoring performance for beginner end users as well as is extremely extensible with venture systems by expert developers. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Access and Excel courses in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best certification exam preparation course. This training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. The latest Microsoft Access and Excel exams result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for this certification course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974905, WhatsApp 009715052585001, email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae, website www.zabeelinstitute.ae, inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/